Hello and welcome to Programming the Lazy Way, a sequence of short videos for beginning programmers. Today I want to give you a couple of tricks to make Visual Studio easier to use. We are lazy after all, and another for anyone using Windows. And also a hint, if you're installing Visual Studio, you do need to check the box for the language you want. Otherwise, you get Visual Studio, but not the language. I learned that the hard way. Okay, so I have a program I'm writing and I want to run it. So I go up here and click on the debugger on the green arrow, that means go, and it says, do you want to build it? Well, yeah, I sure do want to build it, and I'm always going to want to build it. So I'm going to click yes, but first I say, never ask me that question again. So it'll run. Okay. Now I'm going to make a mistake. And I try to run it, and it says, do you want to go back and use the last successful build? Well, when I'm debugging, I never want to ignore the current version. I want to fix the current version. If I click yes, then I'm really going to confuse myself because it'll ignore my changes. So I'm going to say no, and I'll say, never ask me that again. Now, if I click the green arrow, it will try to compile, and if it fails, it will tell me that it failed. If you make a mistake, you can go to Tools, Options, Projects and Solutions, Build and Run, and reset these on run blanks to whatever you want. Okay, this part's for Windows, so if you're on a Mac, you could skip the rest. I'm getting a problem with the program. It's trying to load a beach.png and failing, so let me just go and have a look at the folder. It's getting a little messy. I should probably put these pictures in a subfolder, but I'll do that later. It looks like there's something called beach, but I can't tell if it's a PNG file. If I wave my mouse pointer over, yes, I can tell that it's not beach PNG, it's beach JPEG, but I'm going to forget to wave my mouse pointer over. So I want to make it so that I can always see what kind of file it is. So I'll go here to the View tab, Options, Change Folder and Search Options. In that, I will go to the View tab. I want to stop hiding the file extensions. And I'll also show any hidden folders and see if Windows is keeping some dark secrets from me. Yep, it's beach.jpg. So I'll go back into the program and change the file name appropriately. And what do you know? There is a secret folder. .vs has some stuff that Visual Studio uses when it runs. It's kind of bulky. 77.7 megabytes. And Visual Studio always recreates it when it needs it. It also recreates the debug folder. So I get rid of them if I'm concerned about space or if I want to email a zipped copy. Well, I hope these tricks will make your programming life easier. Thanks for watching. Comment below if I made any mistakes like last time, and stay lazy.